Merry Christmas!
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a simple Christmas look. So if you guys are looking forward to going to some Christmas party, you can do this makeup look. This is really easy makeup look, and you can achieve this makeup look with simple steps I'm going to be showing you. So you can follow this tutorial. It mainly focuses on the red lips, and I have done a simple eyeshadow look. So if you are interested in watching this makeup tutorial, then please keep watching. So guys, I'm gonna start my makeup with the primer. First, I have applied the skincare products like toner and moisturizer, and after that I'm gonna apply the primer. I have also applied a lip balm on my lips because they are super chapped as it is winter season, you know. So I'm gonna be using this primer. This is the Swiss Beauty primer. Now I'm gonna apply foundation. This is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now after applying the foundation, I will be applying concealer. This is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am also gonna put concealer on my eyelids to prepare it for eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. Now I'm gonna set my foundation and concealer in with the help of a compact powder. This is a Faces Canada's compact powder. The cushion of this compact powder is really hard. It is kind of hard on my skin. That's why I always, many times, I use the brush to apply the powder, whatever is left. I first apply it with the cushion, then I also go over it and apply it with the brush. This is a clean brush. I have not used bronzer or blush from it till now, so it is a clean brush. And now moving on to the eyeshadows. I'm gonna be taking this Swiss Beauty palette. I'm gonna be using this brown color right here. I am just gonna use this brown color into my crease. I'm taking it very little bit. So I have applied the brown color in my crease. See, it is very light in shade, and I have blended it in so it has become more lighter. but yeah, we need it to be lighter because I'm just gonna make a silver kind of look because it will give a Christmas kind of vibe. So guys, I have blended it. It looks equal. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take a silver color. I don't have a silver color. I just wanted a silver shimmer, but I have a golden shimmer here in this palette, and also my highlighter is kind of golden. It is not golden, like when you apply it like an eyeshadow, it kind of looks like golden, so I'm not gonna apply this. But I have my old highlighter which is kind of broken, but we can work with it. So this highlighter, it is silver in color also, so it will work nicely. So I'm just gonna put it in my eyelids for a glitter kind of look. Since it kind of looks white, so I'm just gonna mix my Nika's highlighter just to give my eyeshadow a little more glitter. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the same brown eyeshadow and put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a white kajal and putting it on my waterline. Now next I will be applying the Lakme eyeliner. Now I will apply this Nika's bronzer. Now I will apply this blush from Maybelline Color Show. After applying the blush, I'm gonna apply my highlighter. This is the Nika's highlighter. I'm gonna apply this one. Now I'm gonna apply my eyelash color. I waited to apply it as the eyeliner was drying and it was still wet at that time. So I was like, I don't want to smear it. So I waited. But now it's dry. So now I'm gonna apply the mascara. This is the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. This is a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Now I'm going to be using this red lip liner. Then I'm going to be applying this lipstick from Swiss Beauty. It's a red lipstick, it's gonna focus on my lips more. That's why I have not applied any dark eyeshadow. After this liquid lipstick has dried, I'm gonna apply this lipstick. It is a glitter lipstick. It will give a shine to my lipstick. No color, it doesn't have any color. So I'm gonna be applying this. Now I'm gonna apply this setting spray. Now I'm gonna take this beauty blender and I'm gonna press my setting spray in for it to make my makeup stay longer. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this Christmas makeup tutorial. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to support it. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video.